That is Raja getting ready to fly.
Okay.
Under extreme conditions. Blizzard
extreme
conditions.
Weather flying, huh? This is when they put the notice on that says, stay home, don't drive in the snow. Like, what? You're not staying home.
There you go.
Resist the urge to go out when it's snowing.
There's the Spectra G.
Oh no, this is the 1005.
Wow.
Wind is blowing.
Wow!
Oh,
look at that!
Oh my god, the wind's going, snow's going sideways.
Woohoo! Wow! I can see the flakes like flying really fast, man.
Oh my god.
It's like side to side. It's moving side to side. No, now it's stopped.
Yeah, now it's slowed down. Before it was looking really bad.
Yeah.
I guess that means the storm is coming. All the way from Florida.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of snow tonight.
2 feet? 1.5 feet?
I guess some parts.
You know, I'm gonna bring my snowblower here and clean out the field, make it we can fly.
In some parts of Massachusetts, I think they said, yeah, 2 feet.
I'm on the 20 plus inches, like where I live. So maybe about 2 feet, I don't know. Maybe a little less. Temperature's about, what, 24, 25?
Last time I saw was 26.
36?
26.
26, yeah.
Yep.
No way, 36, it's snowing.
Yeah.
Some people on One Rider call me a diehard. This is what it is when you're a diehard. You're out there flying.
There you go.
No matter what.
There you go. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of concerned because of my power system. It's kind of cold. I mean, my electronics can work under this condition, but it's kind of cold for the type of battery I'm using in my helicopter.
I can't be concerned. I make my own power on board.
Yeah, Raja's using nickel metal. So I think it's fine.
Well, no, I have an onboard generator too, right?
Lots of generator, yeah.
Yeah, that makes everything, all the power I need to fly. The nickel metal is just there when the motor switches.
I'm using LiPo battery, so...
I should be okay, you know. You can see my headlights.
Kind of concerned about the
headlights on my...
the cells getting... The cells of the battery getting like frozen, you know?
Green light, red light, white light. The wind is blowing in our face a little bit. This is how we're completing our 2010, December 26th. I flew yesterday, Christmas. It was beautiful. 7 flights, no wind to speak of. Had my car sitting, I was listening to the music. I put like 4 flights on this guy and 3 on Spectre G. I even wrote my name in the snow, but it's been buried today. Can't see it anymore.
What is this beat?
Timer. Every minute that goes by it's a transmitter beat. 15-minute timer going on. How many minutes into the movie?
Huh?
How many minutes into the movie? Or does it say?
5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Okay. Tell me before it gets to like, when it gets to like 9 minutes and something. Because YouTube limit is 10 minutes.
Oh yeah? It's 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Maximum?
Maximum.
Okay. So how those people do? I've seen videos on YouTube that last like 30 minutes.
Do they?
How they do it?
I don't. I thought when I was, maybe they changed that limit. Maybe they lifted it. But I remember before, like it only let you put in 10 minutes. So some people used to put like part 1, part 2, part 3 because it was limited.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember that?
I've seen that a lot.
Like tight flying quarters here. You gotta stay like low, stay in sight because I gotta move over my head. We got 2 sides to contend with. And then I got a bouncy helicopter in the wind. Now the wind seems to do better now. It's just like settled down a little bit. Tail down. Right. There you go. See the snow going sideways now. You see the flag right below the belly.
Yeah.
My hands are not too cold inside the ear. It sounds kind of comfy.
Oh, my fingers are really,
Frozen, right?
frozen, man.
Oh, as soon as I land, I'm gonna let you rob the heat off the muffler. You need that. You're gonna make your fingers feel better. How many minutes?
8 minutes, 25 seconds.
Okay. 1 more minute. Telefono.
Yeah. Somebody like, where are you? I'm at the field.
You're like, what? You crazy? No?
What are you doing out there, dude?
Oh my god. Bring them back.
Man, I can see the snowflakes, flying through, like passing by, like this.
Oh yeah, passing by, yeah.
Crazy, man. There you go. Approach to touchdown. Yep.
Wanna warm up your hands? Thank you.
Yo. Yo.